You don't know, baby, 'cause when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, yeah. And it don't.
Hey y'all, I'm back with some human hair from one of my most favorite human hair wig companies, and if you've been following me for a while, you know who that is. Nadula Hair. I absolutely love them. As you subscribe, if you look down in the description box, you'll see a direct link to their channel as well as all of their social media. Y'all notice how we do human hair on this channel. I have to try a company for like 3 or 4 times, and if they make the cut, I add them to my rotation and I constantly order from them. If they are trash, I tell you they're trash, and we never hear from them again. So many companies have bit the dust. Let's see what we got, because all I did was take it out of shipping packaging, because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So the wig comes in, and see how it's already bulging at the sack, at the opening. That's because Nadula gives so many darn extras, y'all. So it comes in this silk sack, which is a good storage case, or if you like me, a storage for anything, makeup, brushes. I use these little cases for everything, y'all. Okay, and then even look, the box. Look, the box is already bulging with all the extras. There's something else. They included a dressing gown. This is legit a robe with their branding on the back of it for you to wear as you get dressed. The other things that they included in here. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Most companies just throw in a pack of wig caps and they're done. Now they do a brush with their branding on it. Let's see what else we got. 2 packs of stocking caps, 2 edge bands, because if you like me, you losing them all the time. 2 edge bands, and some press-on nails, which matches their branding, which is super. So y'all know I have fallen absolutely in love with these Bye Bye Knots wigs, and I have done that because I'm lazy and I cannot comb hair. These Bye Bye Knots wigs make wearing a wig so easy, and just bomb.com. This one is a Bye Bye Knots wig. It is 24 inches long, and it's a Yaki straight, and it's a 7x5, which equals yum. So y'all, check out this texture just straight out of the pack. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, y'all. That texture is so freaking dope. Okay, and if you look at the coloring, I mean, of course, it's human hair, but do you see those highlights and lowlights of brown in there, like brown and then that dark color? That's not my lighting, that's really this wig. As far as cap construction goes, you get that 7x5. You get the slots for the glueless band, one to the right, one to the left. In the back, you get some more adjustable straps and a big comb, and this adhesive band it's not sticky to touch, but it makes the wig lay super flush on your head. They've also included that band to make this wig glueless, and they have given us some Bye Bye Knots, which have completely revolutionized the game for somebody like me that cannot comb. The number one question I get asked is, how does the wig feel on my head? With this type of unit, it does not matter how it fits on my head. It matters how it fits on your head, and that doesn't matter because the band is adjustable. Like, you can make this tighter, you can make this looser, whatever your heart desires with this pre-attached little band. Okay, I want to put this on my head before I do anything to it so you can know what it looks like right out of the pack once you get this unit. All right, guys, so this is this unit put on my head without the Bye Bye Knots or any of that. This is why we love Nadula. Y'all, that's straight out of the pack. Oh, that's a good point, I forgot. Those edges are kinky too, which I do enjoy that. I'm not a baby hair person, but I do love it when the edges are kinky. So that's dope. Okay, this is it straight out of the pack. Nothing done to it, y'all. Okay, and I think it was 24 inches. Like I said, check that description box. But this is where it falls on me, like right at the top of my belly button. Y'all, this hair is absolutely freaking gorgeous. All right, we're gonna apply these Bye Bye Knots, which makes the wig stay secure to your head, and it does say Bye Bye Knots. And run a flat iron through like certain pieces of this to knock out the bumps. And then I'll be back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
No whistling and no warm embrace. It confused me since Tom was always the first one to arrive. For a long while I waited, the wind tearing at my apron and braids. My freezing hands were stark red against the snow on my cuffs. I was about to give up and go home when something moved close behind me.
This is why we love Nadula, y'all. Just straight out of the pack, just awesomeness, just goodness. I can't remember what density I got, but the density on this feels so good. Whether you get it in this 24 inches, y'all, look if you got it even shorter, how cute it would be. I mean, it would be cute as a short little bob. This texture is everything. Everything. I don't have a single con. I do not have a single complaint about it. Look at this. Boop. Bop. Okay, just super easy, super affordable, and just super gorgeous, y'all. I 1010% can recommend this one. This is beautiful. It kind of puts you in the mind frame of Nisha 203 if you're a wig wearer, but better, right? Absolutely gorgeous. I do love this one, but y'all, this is about every unit that I order from Nadula here. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification bell because I upload almost daily. And you never know if it's going to be human hair, synthetic hair, clothing haul. You don't know if it's just me coming over here to chat with y'all. But whenever I come over here to talk about Nadula, I'm always in a good mood. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.